Hey there, are you tired of spending hundreds of hours setting up the same authentication payments and user management for every new project? Well, what if I told you that there's a better way? Let me introduce you to HyperDjangoKit, a production-ready Django starter kit that combines SaaS subscription and e-commerce into one powerful platform. So here's the thing, every time you start a new SaaS or e-commerce project, you face the same tedious steps. User authentication with email verification and social login, integrating Stripe for payments and subscription management, building a user dashboard, creating webhooks handlers for payment events, the list goes on. And by the time that you're done, that's easily hundreds of hours of work before you even start building your product. HyperDjangoKit solves this by giving you everything you need right out of the box. HyperDjangoKit supports both SaaS and e-commerce business models. Your users can subscribe to tiered plans and make one-time purchases through the shop. Both systems work seamlessly together. For authentication, you get Django Auth fully configured with username and email-based login, social authentication with easy expansion to other providers, password resets flows, session management with activity tracking, and much more. For payments, we've integrated Stripe through the DJ Stripe library. This allows your app to have a database that's fully synced with your Stripe account. This also comes with complete e-commerce checkout flow, customer billing portal, configured webhook handling, and much more. The front end, HyperDjangoKit comes with Tailwind CSS, basic UI for beautiful components, Django Cotton for reusable template components, Datastar for reactive UI updates without heavy JavaScript frameworks, built-in dark mode support. So whether you're a solo founder looking to launch fast or a development team that wants to skip the boilerplate, HyperDjangoKit gives you the foundation you need. So stop coding boilerplates, start earning revenue.